1 degree Celsius, 91% humidity. We've got 9 hours and 17 minutes of daylight. Welcome to Reefer Medness, the podcast produced right here in Dauphin, Manitoba, Canada. Episode 115, Banking on Cannabis. We meet Peter Su. He's a member of the Asian Cannabis Roundtable. He's a contributor to Rolling Stone, and he's got 24 years in the banking industry. In America, the federal government views cannabis as illegal. Meanwhile, in many of the states, they're creating legal cannabis industries. So how do banks provide a service to an industry that the federal government believes are money launderers? Well, if you check out episode 115 at Reefer Medness, the podcast, you'll learn how banking services are provided to the cannabis industry in America. Episode 115, Reefer Medness, the podcast, found at reefermed.ca. You should check us out.